Measure the space between the AC unit and the window frame. Mark this width on the side panel, starting from the flap side. Don't include the flap in your measurements. Lay the panel flat, draw a straight line at your mark. Use a utility knife or scissors to cut along the line. I prefer a utility knife as it's easier to get a straight cut. Place the panel in the gap between the AC and the window. Ensure the bottom rests on the window frame. Mark the top edge to line up with the top of the AC. Draw a line at your height mark. Cut along the line so the panel will match the height of the AC. Now, repeat all this with the second side panel. AC units aren't always centered, so each side will likely be a different size width. Place both panels in the window with the flaps obviously facing the AC. Use a tape measure to measure the full window width, or hold the top panel above the AC and mark the width. Mark slightly wider than the window width for a snug fit. Draw a straight line at your mark. Cut to size. Peel off the liner from the large 3M strip. Fold the vinyl 90 degrees and stick it to the foam. Apply pressure and really squeeze to activate the adhesive. Place the top panel on the AC with the flap facing down. Cut slits in the vinyl corners so the foam sits flat. This will let the flaps hang nicely on each side and the middle flap to rest on top of the AC. Peel off the adhesive backing on the backs of the flaps, and this should help hold everything down nice and smoothly.